Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be sharing a very exciting gift that I purchased for myself. I just had my eye on this item, and I had talked about wanting to incorporate some black into my Louis Vuitton collection. So I'm really excited that I found this item and at the price point that I found it for. So if you're interested, just keep watching. So I purchased another Louis Vuitton item, and the reason that I purchased this was because I was looking for some black that I wanted to incorporate into my collection, and I had looked for this and I actually saw this item, but I felt like it was a little bit too high for me to purchase. So I've talked about this resale shop that I go to close to where I live, and I actually bought this item from that shop, and I'll definitely leave the details below as to what the shop is called and where, because she sells a lot of Louis Vuitton. So I had talked about previously incorporating, again, like I said, some black into my collection. And the reason I like buying stuff from her is that you get the paperwork, you get you know, the box, the dust bag, and the code for the purse. And I believe she ships to anywhere. So if you want to purchase an item from her, she won't ship it to you. I believe there is a cost, of course, because she can't ship for free to everyone. But yeah, but this item retails for, I believe, $2,610. And then, you know, since I don't live in the area, you could factor in some shipping costs, and you can factor in taxes and whatnot. But I bought this item for $2,100, and I just thought that was a really good deal. I mean, it's $500 off the price. So let me show you all. This is the purse that I bought. And the reason that I wanted this purse was I've been using my pochette Felice a lot, and I've actually been using my mini pochette more than I thought I would ever use it, because it's so small. I thought, surely, you know, I'm not going to be able to use it every day, but I do. I use it every day, and actually both my keys fit in it, and also my Coach wallet. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up here. But yeah, this is the purse, and as you can see, it is practically new. This purse was purchased by the individual, I believe, in March of this year. So this is the Louis Vuitton Victoire, and I liked it because, of course, it had the black, and then it has this, where you close it, the clasp is a little bit different there, and also the chain is different. And so all of my other chained Louis Vuittons don't have this extra. It's just, the design is just very different. And gorgeous purse, and like I said, it's looks practically brand new. So anyway, the Victoire is 10.2 by 6.9 by 3.7 inches, and I'll put all the details in the description box. But this part here is the calfskin trim, and then it's in the monogram. And the chain, you can do the double chain, you can do the single chain so that you can wear it crossbody. The chain is not removable, and you can't put another strap in it because it has just the little ring here. The bottom, it doesn't have any feet, so it's just kind of curves in like that. And so let me go ahead and open it. It just opens like that. And the inside is microfiber lining. And the inside was really clean, which, you know, I looked for that. It has this middle zip compartment and then the two separate compartments. So it kind of there, and then it has this here. Now I tried to fit my phone in there, and I kind of really had to stick it in there, but I can see putting my phone, you know, in the zipped side or in either one of the compartments. They're equally sized. So I saw a video of someone who put so many things in this purse, and I think that's what really made me decide to get it, because she put her mini pochette, she put a key ring holder, she put her coin purse, she put her phone, she put a mini cosmetic kit. I mean, I just was like, wow, is that an endless purse of items? So anyway, mine says it's made in Spain, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain. And again, like I said, I have the paperwork, and the little authentic tag is on this side. It's really dark, but it's right there. Hopefully y'all can see it. But again, like I said, where I bought it, she makes sure that everything is authentic, and it just slides closed like that. And let me go ahead and get some mod shots for you all. Now, I am 5'1", so just kind of keep that in mind if you are looking to purchase the purse, kind of where it would hit you. Okay, so there's the purse on my shoulder with a double strap. There it is with the single strap. And there it is crossbody. So I am just really excited that I have this purse and some black in my collection. Again, as I mentioned, this is the Louis Vuitton Victoire, and it has just the monogram coated canvas with the colorful calfskin in the black. Now it comes in different colors, but as I mentioned before, I really wanted to incorporate some black into my collection. So Christmas came early for me, and I am just anxious and excited to start using this piece. And especially right now during the fall, I definitely want to use it more, because during the summer or spring, I'll move into using my cherry wood a little bit more. I haven't used that purse for a while, and I still have my Kaisa clutch. So I have a variety of bigger purses that I can use now, but I feel like I've gotten so used to a smaller purse because I really love my mini pochette and my pochette Felice, but I definitely want to start sporting this purse. So anyway, thank you for watching, and what an awesome Vlogmas day 11 for me. So anyway, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.